Hey guys, it's my review back with another video, and in this video we are talking about the Xiaomi Redmi Note 7. So talking about this device, this is the most awaited device in the Indian market and also in other Asian markets. And yesterday the Xiaomi India Twitter handle tweeted that the 48 megapixel head turner is arriving soon, disruption guaranteed. So this makes it clear that the Redmi Note 7 is going to be launched in India soon. And they also attached a photo where we can clearly see the CEO of Xiaomi India, Manu Kumar Jain, with another guy holding the Redmi Note 7. And people are also quite disappointed about the fact that Xiaomi is introducing this phone this late because it has already been launched in China. So some of the consumers are showing their disappointment in the Twitter handle in the same post, which I have shown some of them in this video. So another update coming from Xiaomi Redmi Note 7 is that now the Xiaomi Redmi Note 7 supports camera to API, so Google camera ports can now work without an unlocked bootloader. So many of us were getting some problems because we want to use Google camera to API as well but don't want to unlock bootloader. So Xiaomi has just make that easy because now we don't have to unlock bootloader to use camera to API and can use that amazing 48 megapixel camera with the Google camera support. So what did you find this information quite informative, and are you satisfied with that India launch event and this camera to API feature of the Redmi Note 7? Don't forget to comment me below, and if you enjoyed the video then please give it a big thumbs up, and if you are a Xiaomi fan then give it a share to other people so that they can also know much more things about these kind of topics. And till my next video, peace.